I am Dr. Atul Kumar Verma, Assistant Professor in the Department of the Veterinary Gynecology and Obstetrics. Today I will discuss about the maternal recognition of the pregnancy. Normally, maternal recognition of the pregnancy what do? During normal stress cycle in polystress species, stress is followed by the metastress, followed by the distress, फिर prostress, then stress. If the animal is conceived, then distress will increase. The process of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy described by the Salt in 1969. The definition of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy include the presence of the viable developing embryo prevent the cell from the regressing and thus in polystress species inhibit the return of the stress. The time of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy, there is a different in the different farm animals. As in sow, it occurs approximate 12 days. In eve, at 12 to 13 days. Cow, at 16 to 17 days. In mare, 12 to 16 days. While in goat, it occurs at 17 days. It is described by the Friendly in 1981. Now we will discuss about the mechanism of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy in the different species. First we will discuss in the sheep. In sheep, ovine trophoblast protein or can say OTP type of the interferon, ovine tau interferon. Ovine tau interferon alter the dynamics of the PGF2 alpha secretion, that is, pulse of the PGF2 alpha is reduced. This suppresses the expression of the oxytocin receptor on the endometrium. So, oxytocin of the CL and pituitary origin fail to bind the uterus, thus there is a reduction of the pulsatile secretion of the PGF2 alpha. Ovine interferon tau protect the CL from the luteolysis by the endocrine route. We will define in the cattle. The process of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy very similar to the as sheep in cattle. Bovine interferon, trophoblast protein or interferon protein interferon, this silencing the expression of the estrogen receptor. This prevent the expression of the oxytocin receptor and ultimately reducing the pulse of the PGF2 alpha. Interferon, this is same mechanism, that is reduce the suppression of the PGF2 alpha secretion same as eve and cattle. However, the process of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy in swine quite different from the cattle and sheep and also goat. In swine, after the entry into a uterus, embryo start to migrate through both uterine horns so that at day 12 they have more or less evenly distributed. This is called the process of spacing. In case of swine, estrogen is luteotropic in swine and produced by the conceptus. Estrogen exerts their effect by the altering the transport of the PGF2 alpha from an endocrine to exocrine, that is from uterine vasculature to uterine lumen, to prevent the PG2 reaching the CL. Now, in this picture, you can see the different embryo from both horn migrating from here to there, from one horn to the other horn. This is a process called as spacing. The mechanism of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy is less understood in the equine. PG secretion from the pregnant uterus is blocked by because lower concentration of the PG was found in the pregnant mare than not pregnant mare. An important feature of the MRP in equine, the migration of the spherical conceptus within the uterine lumen until it becomes fixed at 16 to 18 days of gestation at the base of the uterine horn. If the migration of the conceptus is blocked by the ligature at various parts of the uterus, then MRP will compromise, so CL will regress spontaneously. Unlike the ruminant, equine conceptus does not secrete any interferon. You can see in this picture how the conceptus is moving from one horn to the other horn. If this movement of the embryo from one horn to other horn is blocked, then the maternal recognition of pregnancy will compromise and luteolysis will occur. In case of canine, there is a separate story of the maternal recognition of the pregnancy. In case of mare, there is no increase in the PGFM on CL regression and luteal phase is not halted, but frequently exceed that the pregnancy. Also, surgical removal of the uterus in the diestrus does not prevent the demise of CL. Because canine is the monocyclic, so in this case there is no need of the MRP to maintain the lifespan of the CL and progesterone production. Now we will discuss about the maternal recognition of the pregnancy in cat. There is also some different mechanism. The length of the luteal phase in cat that is mated but non-pregnant queen is about 40 days, whereas in pregnant female, luteal phase progesterone production continues for another 20 days. Neither hysterectomy nor surgical diversion of the uterine venous blood away from the ovarian vascular had any effect on the duration of the luteal phase. So, as in dog, maternal recognition of the pregnancy in cat does not involve the prevention of the luteolysis caused by the uterine luteolysine. Now, the topic of the maternal recognition of pregnancy is completed. Any question? If you have any query, then you can ask in my cabin, in class or clinic. Okay, thank you. And the text of this topic I will send on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.